Today's video is sponsored by this puppet. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node. Bring a Luma keyer in empty space, connect your clip to this and drag it to the left viewer. Add a drip node after. Right-click to the phase slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, and set the scale value somewhere around 12. Go back to the Tools tab, bring down the frequency between 6 and 7, and increase the amplitude slider. Add a soft glow node after, slightly increase the threshold slider, and increase the glow slider. Open the Color Scale menu, and choose a color for your glow. Connect this to the Merge node as a foreground. Now it's the time to go back to the Luma keyer, play around with the sliders, and spend the rest of your day here. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, it's just a free YouTube video.